Hey everyone, we are at McCluskey's RV Center in Prescott, Maine, and we are taking a look at the Forest River Vibe. This is the 25RK for rear kitchen. Let's go on in and sneak a peek. All right. You see, you come in, come right into the dining area and kitchen. Love a rear kitchen. Get a little bit more counter space. Nice size stove. Not gonna do any turkeys, but nice storage for your pots and pans. Wow, that's a good size fridge. Plenty of storage for everything that you got going on. And look at this big old pantry. You got the lights right there, and this is what I like. Come in, you got a nice sofa, and bam, it's right across from the TV. So a lot of times you get your campers and you're not exactly lined up. So I know it's petty, but there we go. Bathroom, a little tight, but it's functional. Some great storage there. Nice shower, definitely can fit in it, and I'm not exactly a tiny guy, so. All right, and then master suite. So, nice queen bed, plenty of room to walk in front. Both sides have really decent storage space. And there you have it. I'll leave a link to McCluskey's website down below. And as always, thank you for watching. And remember, life is good when you're a little crazy. All right, I'm out here.